Hi, little learners. Today we're going to learn about the sounds that farm animals make. A dog can live on the farm, so let's start with Miss Mae. Miss Mae, what sound does a dog make? Wait a minute. That's not right. That's not the sound a dog makes. That's the sound that a goat makes. When goats bleat, it sounds like meh. Let's try that again. Miss Mae, what sound does a dog on the farm make? Not again, Mae. That's not a dog. That's a chicken. When chickens cluck, it sounds like they're saying bawk, bawk. Let's try the dog sound again, Mae. I know that sound, and it's not a dog. It's a horse. When horses whinny, it sounds like they're saying neigh. All right, Mae, we're looking for a dog sound this time. Can you do it? That sound was a cow. When cattle low, it sounds like moo. It's your last chance, Mae. When dogs bark, it sounds like woof. Can you do it? Oh, that woof frightened Mae. She's not used to making that kind of sound. Thanks for spending time with Mae. I'm going to go comfort her.